Are you shopping for a gardener, or two, this holiday season? You will need one of the best gifts for gardeners. Fortunately, we found 51 gift ideas suitable for all levels. Consider if they're a beginner and you're introducing them to the hobby, or if they're an expert and you want to give them something as unique as their hobby, says Katie Dubo, QVC plant expert and trend spotter. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 gifts for gardeners. On the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Outdoor string lights. Dimmable and energy saving. The G40 outside porch string light comes with 30 clear LED Edison G40 bulbs and 2 spare replacement bulbs. 1.56-inch light bulbs have an E12 or C7 candelabra socket base, 1 watt per bulb, which helps you to save more electricity bills. Cute bulbs are dimmer compatible, creating a warm and romantic atmosphere that will make you feel relaxed and happy. Connectable and portable, 30 hanging sockets bistro string light with 12-inch lead with male plug, 24-inch spacing between bulbs, 12-inch tail with female connector, total length 60 feet. End-to-end connects up to 24 strands total. Safety and durable, UL certified outdoor light string is built with weatherproof technology, which can withstand extreme temperatures, rain, wind, and damp climates, perfect for outdoor decoration. Safe and durable electric string light either with an E12 socket base and a built-in spare fuse for easy replacement. Number 2. Gar Life Bamboo Plant Stand Rack. If you know someone struggling with where to put all their houseplants, this plant stand might be just the solution they need. Crafted from eco-friendly bamboo, the plant stand includes 6 levels of display space for plants and family photos or other decorative items. At only 15.7 by 8.3 inches wide, it fits a lot of display space into a small amount of floor space. The plant stand is 48.6 inches tall, and each shelf is big enough for a 4 to 6 inch pot. A wide base, which holds 2 plants, helps ensure it is sturdy. About this item. 6 layers plant stand, awesome design and saving space, top materials, and an excellent workshop, the plant stand mixed advantages together. Multi-purpose, this stand shelf can be used both for flower pots and decoration placement. Displaying your lovely potted plants, books, photos with beautiful memories, championship trophies, and red wine. Number 3. Gorilla Carts Poly Garden Landscape. It might not be the first gift that pops into your mind when shopping, but one of the best gifts for gardeners might be a wheelbarrow. After all, what gardener doesn't need one? This version is tough and durable, with a rust-proof body and 10-inch tires to help you maneuver over any terrain. It can pull up to 600 pounds and has a padded handle to make pulling more comfortable. As good as those features are, we think the best feature is the quick-release technology that makes it easy to empty each load. This is one of the best gifts for gardeners that will get a lot of use in the garden. An outdoor utility cart with a 600-pound hauling capacity is ideal for maneuvering heavy objects, rocks, dirt, mulch, and large equipment around yards, gardens, or farms. 4-wheel stability keeps the cart in place to tackle heavy landscaping projects and large gardening setups. Number 4. NetView BirdFeed AI, Smart Bird Feeder with Camera. The NetView Smart Bird Feeder with Camera captures photos and helps identify birds, and is a great gift for both beginner and expert birders. Using the accompanying app, the bird feeder can identify more than 6,000 types and species of birds, and you can look up more information about them. Watch birds on your phone anywhere, anytime. NetView Smart Bird Feeder with a camera can auto-capture and identify all coming birds, and you will receive real-time notifications of feather visitors via the phone app. This revolutionary smart bird detective camera allows you to close-up shots full of character and provides the best experience to upgrade your birdwatching journey. This smart bird feeder camera with the world's leading AI algorithm recognizes more than 6,000 types and species of birds for you. You can look up further details and introduction of the bird species in the NetView app with the recognition result. Number 5. Turtle Garden Weeding Robot. One of the best gifts for gardeners is any tool that can streamline weeding. The Turtle Weeding Robot is the gift that does just that. It sits out in the garden, using the sun to recharge itself, and does the weeding for you. When you want it to start weeding, you press a button to wake it up and then press it again to make it move. Turtle, from the makers of the Roomba vacuum, uses height to discern garden plants from weeds. If a plant is tall enough to touch its front sensor, the Turtle Weeder will consider it a plant rather than a weed. This weeding robot can maintain areas up to 200 square feet, but it won't work in every garden. You need a border that's 4 inches or taller, a foot between plants or rows of plants, and a relatively flat and smooth surface. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. I hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. Check out the description box if you want to know the product price. Thanks for watching.